Come for chai. So this is the room that was never occupied, that we had. Clean, mint condition, massive compared to the room that we were using. Man, should I just slept here last night? Cheers, man. Last chai in Iceland. Cheers, Manoj. Thanks for chai. Last day in Iceland. It's super sunny outside, so I'm in shorts, Pata Air Max 90s, and the Nike Vision Zeus sunglasses. It's 2CT, and you know the age-old essential shorts. People be hating, but we not debating. Stepping out in shorts, hoping the weather gods are kind on us. Because if they aren't, I'll have to come back in like 30 minutes, I guess. Sunny. That's my pleasure. Enjoy. Wow. Yes.
You realize it now?
I'm good.
Last Appleton drink before we leave. 1011. Where's Manoj though?
Not inside.
I don't know. Give me a sip. Back here at the church, looking for the coffee shop.
What about you?
Hotel, no?
You have to do.
Yeah.
1 hour is a pickup.
Glasses, like not too much.
You're wearing designer. Ew.
You
Oh, we are going to the Bangla.
enjoy
Yeah.
the story.
We're going to the hotel?
Thanks.
Why not?
Yeah, no.
Huh? We're going to the hotel?
That's the lake. Vidya, if you're wondering who used your room, Vidya and Neil, it is only Viken and nobody else.
Both the beds.
Both the beds were used by Viken. We are just using your kitchen to make chai. Just having some Old Town coffee before I head to the flight. Cheers, man. After the last chai, now last coffee. Was supposed to be in a coffee shop, but everything closes by 5 p.m. The room's a bit of a mess, but farewell room. Heading out to the next leg, Estonia, off to the airport. So there's this really cool service that they offer in Iceland. I'm at Reykjavik and standing outside my hotel, and there's a bus that you can pre-book online, and it picks you up and takes you directly to the airport. I mean, there are a few other pickups along the way, I think, because you could add your pickup location. There's a drop-down list with all the hotel names. So right now, I'm just outside waiting on the bus. So the shuttle bus takes you to a BSI terminal where you hop onto the big massive bus that brings you to the airport. I'm checked in, barely took any time. Gonna use the restroom and head to my gate. 10:30 p.m. One last look at Iceland, the Reykjavik Airport. Bags are checked in. Just gotta go through security and to my gate. This has been a great trip. Shout out to Jel and Preetham. You guys really organized the heck out of it. Thank you for that. Heading out to Estonia. Gonna meet Alok there. Before we sign out though, this little rainbow bridge and that rainbow pathway. It's nice and chilly. I don't have a jacket on, so just about nice. picked up some jokla. That's the Icelandic version of Baileys made from glacier water. Some chocolates. Now headed to my gate. Gate A. Well, that was the first sign I saw when I landed, so how many times can you say farewell to the same place? Yeah, I guess so many times. Alright, sweet, thank you.
Evacuate. There are 6 emergency exits.
Imagine being on the same airline with a connecting flight, and the first airline is delayed, and now I lose 6 hours of my time in Tallinn because of it. Man, I've been booked into a 2 p.m. flight. I was supposed to leave at 7:30 a.m. 6 hours at the airport. I can't even step out because I'm within the transfer area. But they offered me a €5 coupon for coffee. How kind. I'm done. Thank you. Finally boarding after the 6-hour wait. How do I get out? Whew. Off to Estonia.